everyone, my name is Praful Kumar and I'm working on the part of the project. So in that we have to basically print hello UTD inside the Linux machine that is here. So I have my FPGA board here. So the way how we do that is first I have to go to the directory. So I've opened the batch file, so I'm gonna just type in make here. Okay, so if you see make file has been created, so we have the executable file. So on the next step is to copy this executable file into a pen drive and then plug the pen drive into FPGA board, and then what we do is we'll basically mount it and then we'll execute it on the Linux machine. If you see, this is a Linux machine. Okay, so I have logged in. Since I've already copied the executable file, I'm going to show you the output. So let me first mount the drive. Okay, so it's in SDA1. Let me just clear the window so that I can see everything properly. Okay, so this should be SDA1 and then this should be, so okay, just a minute. So this is like this. Okay, yeah, so it has mounted successfully. I'm gonna do ls. Okay, if drive is present, I'm gonna navigate to that drive. I'm gonna do ls. Okay, so here if you see, this is the program which I'm gonna run. So I'll use /. Okay, if you see, it has executed on the board successfully. It says hello UTD. So yeah, that was the second part of the project. Thank you.